Hey guys, we have here Toovren. It's an iPhone 12 phone case. Disclaimer, this is not a paid video. We'll leave the link in the description box below. So they want us to try this out and see what it's like. So let's open the box now. So this is my phone right here. I removed my case, my previous case, so we can try it out. So I picked the color gray. So this is what the case looks like. So it's like a leather-like material. This is what the inside, it's like a velvet feel into it. And also it comes with a lanyard, so you can hook it right here. So let's try it on. So basically it fits well. So let's make sure all the buttons work. Okay, the volume down works. The upper also. Okay, so everything works. Let's see the back. So the back, I really like it because you can put your finger in there. I guess when you hold it like this. Sorry. Oh, can you put your finger in it? Oh, you can. You just have to adjust it. You can slide your finger. So when you hold it, you get a grip on your phone. And then you can use this handle as a stand too. So and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.